Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can enable the memory saver and find that feature in your browser settings on the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Shift AI browser and this feature is located in your browser settings. However, the browser settings are a little bit different in the layout than other browsers. So either way, you'll need to access your quick settings menu in the top right and navigate to advanced settings at the bottom. And from here, guys, what you want to do is navigate to system here. To performance there, of course. And here under memory, you will see the memory saver, which I assume will be disabled for you because it was turned off for me as well after I downloaded and installed and launched the Shift browser for the first time. So if you'd like to enable it, you will need to do that manually here. And then customize its behavior, like moderate, balanced, or maximum, depending on how many inactive tabs you'd like to use for the memory saving here, right? Because that's what the memory saver does. It uses memory from inactive tabs to give it to provide the memory to active tabs and other apps that are more importantly your computer resources, so that these tabs may work faster. So if you have a lot of inactive tabs, you can use that memory saver here for that. And that's how it works, guys. Let me just turn it off, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.